Concrete heart under neon light. Ghost mode grinding through the dead of night. Static in the air, but I keep the focus. Rising from the bottom where the city broke us. No handouts, just the skyline in my sights. Heavy pressure on the path, taking flight. I don't see the lanes, I just see the flight. I don't see the lanes, I just see the goal. Turning every shadow to a piece of soul. Turning every shadow to a piece of soul. Engine humming, but my mind is on mute. Planting the seeds and my mind is on mute. Planting the seeds and I'm waiting for the fruit. Calculated steps, I ain't leaving it to luck. In the belly of the beast where the money stays stuck. Hustle till the sunrise, never looking back. Moving through the shadows, staying on the track. Skyline dreaming while the city stays loud. Moving like a phantoms, standing tall and proud. Yeah, we grinding, yeah, we shine. Ghost mode, living on a different time. Heavy is the head, but the crown is cold. Writing out the story that was never told. Clock ticking loud, but I don't hear a sound. Building up the temple from the buried ground. Skyline shimmering, a mirage or the truth. Burning out the doubt, spent the fire of my youth. Burning out the doubt, spent the fire of my youth. Static on the line, but the vision stays clear. Overcame the doubt, now I'm living in the fear. Overcame the doubt, now I'm living in the fear. Grind don't stop, even when the lights dim. Swimming in the deep, never learn how to swim. Just a drifter in the system, a king on the block. Mastering the movement while they watching the clock. Got the blueprint locked, got the static on the move. Falling in the pocket, finding my own groove. Yeah, ghost mode. We don't stop, concrete dreams. Keep climbing. Once again, I'm out here in the cold. Transforming copper into solid gold. Navigating pressure like a heavyweight. Long-term vision, I don't leave it up to fate. Climb the peaks, leave the ghosts behind. Urban pressures can't cloud my mind. Climb the peaks, leave the ghosts behind. Urban pressures can't cloud my mind. Hustle deep, yeah, I'm staying on the clock. Building legacies from every single block. Hustle deep, yeah, I'm staying on the clock. Building legacies from every single block, yeah. Once again, the fire's burning bright. Chasing shadows through the city light. Achieving goals through the obstacles in sight. Legacy rising, taking flight tonight, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Once again, from the pavement to the penthouse view. Every move I make is something new. Street vernacular, I keep it strictly true. Legacy, legacy, that's what I pursue. Transformation isn't cheap or fast. Building something that is meant to last. Navigating pressures of the urban maze. Building something that is meant to last. Navigating pressures of the urban maze. Navigating pressures of the urban maze. Once again, I'm starting through the haze. Once again, I'm starting through the haze.